Let's make a super pretty farmhouse inspired love sign with this stuff from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we are going to do a super cool technique. I can't wait for you to see it. So we're going to start with this Dollar Tree sign. We're just going to pop that love writing off. It pops off easy. And then I'm going to spray the front of this, and I'm going to scrape it up a little bit with my X-Acto knife so we can peel it off later. Then I have this heart from another project from a Dollar Tree thing, and I painted it red. Then I distressed it, and then once it was dry, I actually put little tiny polka dots all over it. It is so cute. You don't have to do that part, but look at how cute this is. I love it. Oh. All right, so then we're going to scrape the front of that, and we're going to put our we're going to take our sign hanger off. Should have done that to begin with. And let it dry. Then once it's dry, put a nice thick layer of this Java chalk paint on. And then I'm going to go over it with a comb. I know it sounds crazy. Then we're going to go over, once that's dry, with a candle. I know it sounds crazy, but stick with me. Then I'm going to do a coat of chalk paint. This is just a white Waverly chalk paint. And then once that's dry, we're going to sand it. And friends, I am so excited about this. I can't even. Look at how cool this is. Now, I know some of you aren't going to be grooving on this because it's not your jam to have distressed stuff. That's okay. Look away. You can paint this regular. Just paint it white. It'll be beautiful anyway. But this, look at how pretty. I'm going to do this listen, prepare yourself, because I'm going to do this technique probably for 1100 years now. I mean, prepare for everything to be this technique. But I just love it. I love how it gives that texture, and I'm there for it. 1000%. I'm using just a sanding block, by the way, from Dollar Tree. I love it. I think it's so cool. Now, just make sure you let the brown really dry before you put the white on top, because you'll see a couple smudges in there because I just couldn't wait. Whatever, it's fine. It didn't do anything horrible to it, though. Look how pretty. I love it. All right, so now we're going to take that little heart. We're going to pop a couple holes off the top using a crocodile, and I just added a little wire, and I'm going to curly cue the ends, and I'm just wrapping it around a dowel. You can use a pencil, whatever. Just curly cue it around it, and then pull your dowel or whatever out, and you've got some cute little curly cues. Cute, right? Yeah. All right. So then we've got some little tumbling blocks or Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them on the back of that heart because we want to give it space so we can put little flowers in, and that's what I did here. I have some Dollar Tree flowers, and I'm going to put some Spanish moss on top of that as well, just because I want it to stay with the real country vibe. Then we're going to put a bunch of glue on the back, and I also put glue on the Spanish moss part, and then we're going to add it to our sign. Look at, this could be so many different things, right? You could put so many different color flowers in there. We're going to add some glue to the back of that love sign and add that. And of course, we're going to add that hanger back on because it's so cute and it matches perfectly. And stop it. Just quit it. Like, stop. Look how pretty. Now I put it on, just sitting it on my counter, but then you could hang it. Oh, I just love it so much. And like I said before, I think we could have this up all year long. I mean, we love all year long, right? And I certainly love this all year long. Just saying. Anyways, all right. That's enough, Colette. Calm down. I know. Thanks for understanding. All right, friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.